Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to install latest DirectX Graphics Tools in Windows 10. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to share the easiest way how you can easily install DirectX Graphics Tools in a Windows 10 PC. For that, go on your device start menu and then click here setting, and you will find here Windows setting. Simply click over app setting and then you will find new screen appear. Here you have to choose optional features. So when you click optional features, you have to click here add a feature. So when you click add features, you will find here something optional features will appear. You'll find here graphic tools. Simply choose that and then click here install, and it's going to be automatically installed in your PC. And after install, you have to restart your PC and then hopefully your latest DirectX Graphics Tools will be installed in your PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.